Yeah, hello everyone. How you guys doing? Hello. Yes. Yeah, today I want to actually give a proper analysis of this week, the new week we're actually entering, and all the trades that are here. So all you need to just watch them and learn from them. So basically, I'm actually going to be. This is specifically meant for our group. That's the IML Dynamics group. Okay, it's for us exclusive traders. So trading, first of all, trading is all about what? Patience, okay, faith, and also what? Skill. So you need to be skilled. That's why it's very important for you to actually learn how to go about it. You need to be must be a skilled trader. You need to keep learning. You need to be patient in every trade, and you also need to be what? You also need to what? You also need to what? You need to learn too. It's very important. Now let's get started. Now I'm going to start from the daily time frame. Okay, we have a couple of time frames. We have the hourly time frame and we have a daily time frame. The daily time frame gives you a 24 hours. What would I call it now? Timeline of the market, which is this. Now look at this. Look at Nasdaq. Let me go to let me go to let me go to other currencies like we go to gold. No, we go to Euro JPY for instance. Euro JPY, how it's going to be like this week? This is a time frame for the week, new week. So this is like okay, this is it. So what do we need to do? Now look at this. Draw a line and give you a proper analysis of where the market will lead when the market resumes tomorrow evening. Now look at this. Look at this. Now look at this. From here, you see right now, give me a proper analysis. So now look at this. You see what happened here? Came down, okay, and moved upward, came down, moved upward. So I'm giving you a proper analysis of the what's going to happen to Euro JPY for the week. So all you need to do is to actually look at it and expect what's going to. You're going to need to literally look at it and see what happens. So it's very important you take this very seriously. And the currency you're going to be trading, you're going to take just few currencies this month. We're not going to trade all the currencies. We're going to just take cognizance of just two currencies, and that's all. Okay. You see, at this point, now look at this. What happened throughout last week? Look at what happened. There was a movement from here, came here. Okay, the resistance and the support moved up. It didn't get to the top. It came down here, moved hit to the top, and third time, because the third time it broke the line the third time. I see now it broke the line the third time. So right at this point, what we need to do right now, we need to look at let me look at the hour time frame on this. Let me see 1 hour time frame. See what happens. Okay, right now the market is very, very, very big. Okay, so what you need to leave this currency. Let's go to better currency. Let me say USD Swiss francs, USD CHF. And let's look at the 1 hour time, 1 day time frame. This is the hour time frame. Can you see scattered? Let's go to daily time frame. And I told you before that we're going to be working more on daily time frame henceforth. More on daily time frame henceforth. Look at you. Can you see this? You can see this. USD CHF. Look at this. You see, what can you see here? Here you can see from here. Now look at this. Look at this from here. Can you see? So you need to know what to do. This new. Okay, so now this is it. Hey, look at this. Look at the destination where it leads to. Now, all the while you must have seen from here. Okay, look at down here. Okay, so what we need to be doing when the market resumes, you're going to be selling US dollars, US dollars, Swiss franc, that's CHF, because it has hit the top line here. Okay, so it's going to be, what's going to happen to it? It's going to come down. Okay, so what happens to when the market resumes? What we're going to be doing, we're going to be selling. We're going to be selling USD CHF. You need to write that down right now. Okay, when we sell it, I'm going to give you a go ahead to do that. The first destination, when it's going to go to, the first place it's going to go to, we're not going to trade a lot of currencies today, this week. We're going to stick to main currencies that meet our conditions. Now look at this. Look at this point. Look at the point. Look at where it's going to head to. Can you see from here? The first destination that it's going to lead to when it starts coming down is here. Let's take this very seriously. Write it down. Write it down. Look at this from here. It's going to hit here. It's going to be heading here at this point. So there are two destinations. Either it goes when it starts coming down, it's going to head to this point. It's going to head down to this point. That's USD CHF. Let's go to another currency. Let's go to are you getting there? Let's go to Euro USD. That's the one. Now this is 1 day time frame. Let's check on our time frame. We're going to be working on more on a daily time frame with a little lot size. Now I want to give instructions right now. You guys want to do, if you're doing a daily time frame, you expect to use the lower lot size, and with the lower lot size, you to take a couple of hours, okay? But the major thing is going to your destination. You have a destination where it's heading to, so you need a low lot size. Kindly use a low lot size when you're trading on a daily time frame. You're trading an hourly time frame. You can actually watch your trades and all that. But day trades are better than swing trades. Okay, swing trades are kind of volatile, but day trade, there's a destination in a day trade. Okay, that's the new level we've gotten to right now. We're going to be doing more of day trade and lesser um, um, swing trades. Okay, now look at this. This is Euro US dollars. Last week we enjoyed we enjoyed this big time. Some of that traded this, we enjoyed it big time when I give it proper analysis. So this was actually the remnant of my last week analysis. So right now, what we're going to be doing now, let me see just an hour time frame. Let me see a day time frame. How it's going to be like. It's 1 day. Okay, right now, can you see what's happening now on the day time frame? What's going to happen right now? When the market resumes, it's going to be buying at this point. You see what I'm doing now? You need to be deliberate about this new year. We need to make a difference. Let's not just start keep doing the same thing we've been doing all the time. Let's be deliberate about this new year. Be deliberate about this new year. Have your vision written down, okay? Make it plain. Don't just think the year will just be, the year will change without you changing anything about yourself. You need to be deliberate about the year. You need to change some things. You need to take some bold steps in achieving what you want to achieve for the year. You know something? Steps must be taken. If you don't take any step, I'm sorry to say, you keep repeating the old things you've been doing before. Okay, it's a new year. The first quarter is almost running out, and some of you have not achieved anything. You just need to be informed about what to do so you can actually move forward. Information transforms. Okay, information transforms. So, what are you going to do? What do you want to do? That's a question. That's a question. So let's continue. So what's going to do? We're going to be concerned about the resistance and support. Mind you, when it's time, I'm going to tell you what to do, but you need to understand that we're doing what? We're trading day trades, okay? Day trades. Look at the line here that I'm drawing. Can you see this line I'm drawing here? Now look at this. Look at what happened here at this point. At this point, the market closed when it was still selling. Okay, so look at this. It's gonna went from up here, came down. It's gonna go. It's still moving around. At this point, we didn't take a trade at this point because it is an indecisive market at this point. Okay, okay, okay. So underneath it, this line you're seeing here, you see this line here? Can you see? Hits it. Now it has hit it again. So the market resumes with buying. Okay, when it hits my condition, this is actually my technical analysis. When it hits my technical analysis condition on my spiller strategy, then you know for sure you're gonna get into it. Right now, it's gonna be a buy for the week. Euro USD is going to be buying for the week. It's going to be buying for the week. Write it down. And let's go further again. Gold is going to be selling for the week, but let's leave gold aside away. GBP JPY. Now look at GBP JPY. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Now GBP JPY is going to be selling throughout the week. GBP JPY is going to be all Great Britain currencies are going to be trading. Now look at what happened here. We've been selling it since for the last couple of days ago. We've been selling it for the past couple of days, if you could remember vividly. And look at this, hit it. Look at this, hit it. Came down to the second section, hit it again, broke it. When it goes 3 times, when it breaks it the second time, okay, I'm means you give it a go. So you now broke it out, and now the destination is this. Can you see this? Broke it and it hit here, okay, and it started going up again. That means you have another line drawn beneath. Okay, now the support line. Now look at this. It's gonna upward now. Okay, it didn't hit it, but it's coming down. But the main thing to understand something is it has a destination, and the destination is down here. Let me count the more pips you're gonna be getting from here. The destination is down here from here. Get it down here. It's gonna be a lot of money, man. Down here, a lot of money. It's gonna be a lot of money. I tell you the truth. It's coming down here, because you broke it at this point. Are you getting me now? It's coming down here. Hits this the first place it's gonna hit. Okay. If it doesn't break it, if it breaks it, it's gonna head down to this place. That's the Great Britain pound currencies are gonna be selling throughout the week. Okay. But that's Great Britain pound. Now let's see GPCHL. Let's see this. Now can you see this now? Look at this point here. Hit it. Came down. Hit it. Can you see? Came down. Okay. Broke it. Came down. Now look at this. Look at this line. Hit it. Came down. Hit it. Came down. Okay. Hit it. Okay, now went up again. I broke this line. I hit it. Now it's gonna be selling. It's gonna, if it breaks this line coming, it's gonna be selling way down here. If following my analysis, it's gonna sell all day. Great Britain pound and Swiss franc. It's gonna be selling all day, all the week, throughout the week of next week. It's gonna be selling throughout the week, throughout next week. I get my analysis, but it must hit our analysis. Okay, so you need to understand that there's a line, there's a head, there's a destination. We trade with a proper destination. Look at this, we trade. Look at this. Can you see? Hit underneath here, went back up again, hit it, and came down, broke the line. Okay, and went up again and met this line and started coming down. So it's going to be selling throughout the week now. So let's get ready for that. Okay, let's come down again. GP card. Let's see GP card. Okay, now look at GP card. I told you GP card. Can you see? It's gonna be selling too. All GP